Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here with respect to the one official notice of the University Grants Commissions, it released the fake universities and the University Grants Commissions is warning to the students at the time of taking the admissions in the universities. So nowadays the online admissions are happening. So the universities has to be very careful about the candidates certificates, and at the same time the candidates also must be very careful in selecting the universities. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you the list of the fake universities which is recently announced by the University Grants Commissions. And before going into the details and all, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is the official notice released by the University Grants Commissions on 7th October 2020. The subject is regarding the public notice on the fake universities. So the University Grants Commission Act 1956 under section 22(1) provides that a degree can be awarded only by a university established under a central or state or provisional act or an institution deemed to be university under section 3 of the UGC Act, or an institution especially empowered by an act of parliament to confer the degree. So if any one university is not coming under this section 22(1), then don't join in those university guides. So please be very careful at the time of taking the admissions in the universities. So whatever the universities are affiliated or else recognized by the University Grants Commissions or else comes under the section 22(1), whatever the universities which are not coming this section, so please be very careful about that one, guys. And further, section 23 of the UGC Act prohibits the use of word university by any institution other than a university established as stated above. And coming to the students and public at large are hereby informed that presently following 24 self-styled unrecognized institutions are functioning in contravention of the UGC Act, which have been declared as fake universities, and these are not empowered to confer any degree. So here the list of the universities are given as per the state wise. So please listen, guys, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues also, and please make aware about the students not to join in these universities. So in the Delhi Commercial University and United Nations University, Vocational University, ADR Centric Judicial University, and Indian Institute of Science and Engineering, New Delhi, and Vishwakarma Open University for Self-Employment, and Adhyatmik Vishwavidyalaya Spiritual University. Coming to the Karnataka, it is Badaganvi Sarkar World Open University Education Society, and Kerala St. John's University, Maharashtra Raja Arabic University. And coming to the West Bengal, Indian Institute of Alternative Medicine and Institute of Alternative Medicine and Research. And Uttar Pradesh, in Uttar Pradesh, a lot of fake universities are there comparing with the remaining universities. So Varanasi Sanskrit and Mahila Gram Vidyapit and Gandhi Hindi Vidyapit, National University of Electro Complex Homeopathy, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose University, Uttar Pradesh Vishwavidyalaya, and Maharana Pratap Shiksha Niketan and Indraprastha Shiksha Parishad. And coming to the Odisha, the two universities are there, Navabharat Shiksha Parishad and North Orissa University of Agriculture and Technology. Coming to the Pondicherry, Sri Bodhi Academy of Higher Education, and in Andhra Pradesh, Christ New Testament Deemed University. So these are all the universities which are recognized as a fake universities by the University Grants Commissions. So please be very careful at the time of taking the online admissions specially, or else the offline admissions also in the universities. So whether they are under the section 22 of 1 or not. Okay. So it is the update that I want to provide you through this video from my channel. And for more videos, please subscribe and then share this video to your friends or colleagues to spread this information. Okay. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is specially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as crash course on electronic science through multiple choice questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini, then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay, so in my profile link, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC net electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC net electronic science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC net electronic science. Thank you, guys.